Close together, Max. Ready? Go! Other side. Be close together. Go! Alright, let me see. You can keep going here. Okay, okay. Which side? This side first. So feet close together. Ready? Go! Don't lean forward, lean back. That's it, lean that way. And look at me, look at me. Good. Now change. So always looking at me. Feet close together. Go! And lean that way. That's it, look at me. Good job, nice. Daniel, think you can do this? Let's see, buddy. So stand here. Ready? Go! Whoa, ninja style. Other side. Go! Not too wide, look. See, you can't go too wide. It's really important. You need to still have balance. Okay, let's try again. Go! If I let go, will you fall? Whoa! No, that's not a problem. This happens all the time. Nathaniel, come. This is a good point, Nathaniel. Come quickly. You need to lean, but not too much, so if they let go, you fall over. Yes, and then we have to do some other techniques. Do it again, Nathaniel. Go. Now, look, Nathaniel is leaning not that way, he's leaning that way. So look what happens. Sit down, Nathaniel. I'm going to come back to you. This is really important, guys. Watch. If Mark's going to pull, and I lean so much. That's not good. Can I run away like this? No. So it's important that, okay, I get a strong base, but if he lets go, I've still got my strong base. So I need to lean the opposite way, but not too much, just keep a hold of me, keep holding on the go. And I don't take my back foot off the ground, because obviously if he lets go, I'm going to fall. So I get my strong base, if he lets go, great, I can run. So let's try again. Let's swap. Let me see.